In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update TeamViewer to latest version. Keeping TeamViewer up to date gives you the latest features, smoother compatibility with partners, and important security patches that protect your remote connections. The best part is you can verify your version and check for updates right inside the app in under a minute. Start by opening the TeamViewer app on your computer. On Windows, you'll find it in the Start menu. On macOS, check the Applications folder or use the System search. Give the app a moment to load so the main dashboard is fully visible. If you're in an active remote session, it's a good idea to finish that first to avoid any interruptions while you check your version. Next, look at the bottom left corner of the TeamViewer window for the Help section. In some versions, it appears as a small question mark icon. In others, it's labeled Help. If the app window looks cramped or the sidebar is hidden, maximize the window so you can clearly see the lower left area. Click Help to open its menu of support and version tools. In that Help menu, select Check for New Version. This tells TeamViewer to contact its update servers and compare your installed build with the newest release. Make sure your internet connection is active and stable. Without it, the check can't complete. The process usually takes just a few seconds, and you don't need to leave the screen you're on. When the check finishes, TeamViewer will display the result. In our example, it says your version is up to date, which means you're already running the latest release available for your device. That's exactly what you want to see, and it confirms you're benefiting from the newest stability and security improvements. If you happen to see a different message indicating a newer version exists, TeamViewer will show on-screen guidance right there in the app, so you can review it when it's convenient. And that's the full process. Open TeamViewer, go to the Help area at the bottom left, and choose Check for New Version. This quick check is a reliable way to confirm you're current before important remote sessions and to avoid surprises when connecting to teammates or clients who might be on newer builds. If the message says you're up to date, you're all set. No further action is needed. Make a habit of running this check periodically so your remote access stays secure and dependable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you keep TeamViewer running smoothly.